would have to a cup of tea, but I don't have milk. I don't use milk. Do you want any?
No thanks. I'll go and buy some milk.
This is the back of the gate.
Yeah, just drink bush tea, you know, hot water, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because,
Oh, we love
I
hot
feel
water.
like I'm allergic to the milk. Yeah,
So this is what's going to be replaced.
so since I stopped drinking milk,
So as we progress, we'll let you know. Or we'll show you what's happening. Everything's all demolished. So we've got a blank canvas to work with. And this is all the material we'll be using.
Thank you. 3-inch. Thank you. Solid as a rock.
That's the framing up so far. What's been done? Looking good, looking good, looking good. This is how far we've come so far, and looking good, looking good. And this is the door, a real nice door this is. Yeah, tell them what you think of this this job here. Just leave a comment on the comment section and let me know. Would really appreciate it.
Okay.
Your fingers is in the camera.
We're on the final leg now. Man at work. It's just fixing the top boards. Notice how activity is.
Yes, gotta be right.
Okay. I'm gonna switch off now, my arm's aching. You know what it is?
Right, this is the end result. As you can see, perfect job. Extra bolts in here, 2 bolts. One there, one at the bottom, and the main one in the middle. So you can just put yourself a lock on here. Great job. And you gonna try your door?
I'm trying to.
Yeah, try it again.
You just want me in the picture, innit?
Yeah.
Do it.
Try the door. Try the door and tell us what you think. Tell us what you think about the job. And this is the owner. Just checking that everything is okay before we leave site.
Yes, very good. Excellent job. Recommend you.
Yeah, but not at that price. Don't tell anyone.
I told you it would.
So guys, hope you like the videos or the video. So if there's any comment, just drop a comment in the comment section and let me know. So for now, you take care and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget, like, share, and don't forget subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye for now.